Hey everyone, it's Shannon with Moringa Rose. Today we're going to be making a orange grapefruit fall soap. So we're going to add our lye water solution and we're going to start blending. How are you guys doing? It feels like it's been forever. How are you guys handling quarantine if you guys are quarantining in your country? We've been handling it the best we can, to be honest. Finding a lot of new board games, a lot of hide and seek, a lot of different activities to keep ourselves entertained. So what we're going to do is we're going to split this off into 4 and mix in some Micas. And for the green, we're going to be using alfalfa. Never used it before, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out color-wise. We've been trying to keep ourselves entertained with new movies, and we've been watching a few new documentaries. The kids, I was able to find the Old School Magic school bus, and they're loving it. I'm so thankful for that. We've been doing virtual learning, and it's definitely been an adjustment for my kids as they are very social, but we are getting by with it. Are you guys virtual learning, or you send your kids back to school? I know my oldest is begging to go back to school. So in the larger container, we're going to add some titanium dioxide. And I'm going to hand mix this, as I don't really know how this essential oil blend's going to affect my batter. So just taking precautions. I added a little bit more TD because it was not white enough. And as you can see, here's the essential oil blend in Killian clay. I'm going to add a little bit and see how it acts before I add too much. But no, tell me in the comments below, how are you guys doing? How's your lives changed? I know it's been big for us. But on a different note, if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you'll know we have chickens. My chickens have been laying so many eggs this past couple weeks. So I think here in the next week or two, I really want to try an egg soap. Have you tried it before? It's definitely something I've been wanting to try, and now I think it's about time for me to try it. Do you see how fluid this is? This is wonderful. So excited. So now I'm just going to hand mix, and then we're going to stick blend these now that I know that it's not going to speed up trace. So big news for our family. This past week, my oldest daughter was able to get adopted by my husband. So exciting. She has been asking for this for so long, and we finally were able to make that happen. So she's officially adopted, and so many tears of joy. So many tears of joy. It was definitely a blessing, and it couldn't have come at a better time with all of the sadness, being home alone a lot, not being able to hang out with her friends. So it's definitely, we're thinking of all the small blessings right now. So yeah, we're just mixing all of this in, and then we're gonna put it into our mold. If you've watched my videos long enough, you know I love doing chopstick swirls. Easy cleanup, and I love the surprise for every loaf. Now, I don't know if you guys participated when Wholesale Supply Plus had their sale on all their Micas. I kind of went a little bit crazy, so you'll see a lot of Wholesale Supply Plus Micas being used over the next couple months. I'm really surprised with how well they're acting. I know they don't work as well in body butters as they do in soap, so I think these will mostly just be for soap. And I'll stick to Mad Micas for body butters. Look at that color combination. I'm so excited for this soap, you guys. It smells wonderful. Have any of you guys ever replaced some of your water with food? I've been wondering about it a bit, and I know Amanda Aarons wrote a beautiful article on it, and I think I'm gonna this winter practice and play with it a bit. Maybe try some cucumber or even avocado. I've been wanting to play with them, I just haven't had the time. So let me know, what were your thoughts? Pros, cons, what you liked about it, what you didn't like. So as you can see, I have no idea what color I wanted to go, and changing my mind a bit. I didn't really have a full plan for this soap. I just knew I wanted at least 1 or 2 fall scents, and this is the closest I'm gonna get. For those that you don't know, I am allergic to cinnamon. So fall is really hard for us because I can't eat at a lot of people's houses. I can't buy a lot of fragrances, as most fall scents that I have found have cinnamon. So I just stay away from all cinnamon and all fall related scents. Guys, look at these colors together. These blend so well together. I know I'm really behind on videos. I'm hoping to get better at this again. Now that school has started for us, I've been doing virtual learning. So I haven't had as much time to make videos, and I'm sorry about that. I'm hoping I can catch up. And then I just use a thin paintbrush for a chopstick and basic chopstick swirl. But I always love the end result. I always love all the different bars. But here it is, guys. This is the grapefruit, orange, and fall. We're gonna just add whatever's left on top and do a pretty little swirl. I hope you guys have an amazing week. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day. Bye.